Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will deliver the lecture for class 8. In the previous exercise, lecture we have done exercise 1.3. Only two questions are left of this exercise. Question number 13. 1.3. Question number 13. Find the additive inverse of the following. B. A minus C. B minus C, A minus B, L, M and N. Additive inverse, multiply both sides by minus 1. Now, minus B equal to minus A minus B, C minus C, B minus N minus M and minus N. These are called additive inverse. Additive inverse. Now, question number 14. Part number E. Here said, show that the following are additive inverse of each other or not. Means E has given, E is given and F is given. Part number 3. If we add E plus F, we get 0 or null matrix, then E and F are additive inverse of each other. Now we take left hand side, E plus F, E plus F. The members of E are 1 minus 2 minus 4, 2 1 and 3, minus 3 4 minus 2, minus 1 2 and 4, minus 2, minus 1 and minus 3, 3, minus 4 and 2. Add them. 1 minus 1, minus 2 plus 2, minus 4 plus 4, 2 minus 2, 1 minus 1, 3 minus 3, minus 3 plus 4, 3, 4 minus 4, minus 2 plus 2. We get null matrix. It means E and F are additive inverse of each other. Additive inverse of each other. The shortest way, if this question comes in the objective or in the blanks, see this one is will be minus 1, this minus 1 will be a plus 2, this minus 1 will be a plus 4, then these are additive inverse of each other. Like same in question number part 2 and part 1, also additive inverse of each other. Now we move to the next exercise. Exercise is 1.4. Show that which of the following are comfortable for multiplication. Now, question number 1. Before starting the question number 1, I give you a hint. If number of column of the first equal to number of rows of the second, if number of column of first matrix equal to number of rows of second, then suitable for multiplication. It's a hint. How do you remember that? C column and R rows, column first and then rows. Like in the find the order is R cross C. But in case of multiplication, C equal to R. This is a head. Is for the order of the matrix. Is for multiplication. For multiplication. Now 1.4. Question number 1. Show the result of following comfortable for multiplication. A matrix A matrix B, matrix C, matrix D, ठीक है. Now if we said how many rows, how many columns? One. How many rows? A B. We can do the A B possible because number of columns A is 1, number of rows in B is 0. Now number of columns also A with D, possible. Now how many columns? B. How many rows? BC is possible. Now how many columns here? CB is not possible. Therefore AB is possible, AD is possible, and B is possible. Check it remaining by yourself. Is possible or not? Now question number 2. Question number 2. Part 1. AB possible or not? AB possible or not? If you check in the book, number of columns in A is 2, number of columns in B is it possible to find AB? Is it possible to find AB? Number of columns in A is 2, number of rows in B is 2. Then AB possible. The second part, BA. Number of columns in B is 1, number of rows in A is 2. BA not possible. A equal to B means number of columns, B number of rows, number of columns not equal to number of rows. Find the product, possible product. Then we find the AB. A, B. The value of A is -1, 0, 2 and 1. B is 3 and -2. We can multiply. First row, move clockwise on the first column. -1 multiplied by 3 plus 0 multiplied by -2. First row on the second column is not there. Then second row, move clockwise on the first column. 2 multiplied by 3 plus 1 multiplied by -2. -3 plus 0, 6 plus 0 give you -3 and 6. -3 and 6. Now we do the giving the homework. Exercise 1.3. Question number 13, part A. Question number 14, part 1 and 2. It's your homework. Try to do by yourself. Any problem, then call me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you. God bless you.